लाइक डू यू नो द पॉइंट व्हेन जब तुम्हें पढ़ाई करना चाहिए बट पढ़ाई के ही वक्त तुम्हें दूसरे सारे चीज़ों का चर्बी आ जाता है. एंड आई स्टार्ट इन माइंड इन जुलाई. Everything is much worse than a roller coaster. This girl, she went to college for one day. जो मेरे नोस पे छुड़ा है वो स्कूल नहीं दिखा कि नहीं यार, हमने क्या दिखाया. Okay, so why does this feel so weird? Like I'm finally talking about my 10th and 11th grade. 11th and 12th grade journey, dang. This time it is structured. So no nervousness, but I'm still nervous. I'm just so tired today. I gave an exam. I'm still filming. I will film. Oh god. I planned this, but I'm still nervous. Why? I just have to start.
A few moments later.
First of all, if you all are new here, hello everybody. My name is Nihar Kapoor and I am 18 years old. 18 ans. Wait. For you all to know everything about my 11th and 12th journey, first we have to talk about my 10th का ending वाला journey because that is when the change actually happened. ठीक है, तो after 10th, basically in 10th, not even after 10th, in 10th boards के time पे मैं पागलों जैसे I was doing all of the research and skill development and I was really eager. Like do you know the point when जब तुम्हें पढ़ाई करना चाहिए but पढ़ाई के ही वक्त तुम्हें दूसरे सारे चीज़ों का चर्बी आ जाता है. not even the bad things, good things, productive things, skill development, but not पढ़ाई में, बाकी सब चीज़ों में. Oh, I want to learn about the stock market. Oh, I want to learn about cash flow. Oh, I want to improve my communication skills. Oh yes, पर अभी तो बोर्ड्स का टाइम है, पर ये मेरे को सब सूझा ही नहीं. मैं तो खाते वक्त कुछ भी करते वक्त I was much more into this than into actual studying. Anyways, so all of this was happening during 10th and 10th के बाद I'm so proud of myself because the moment 10th finished I wasn't wasting time. I was not wasting time. I was scheduling my entire day on Google Calendar. I had a time block for French, I had a time block for communication skills, I had a time block for the stock market and more skills. And I was just doing this. And by the way, 10th के बाद I didn't know what I had to do exactly. But I knew that I had to do something in science. तो इससे by the way, and also I was into NDA, that is the National Defense Academy. Still have immense respect for it, but that is what I've always had, immense respect. There was definitely a time where I also saw myself in that uniform and I felt immense pride and my parents wanted me to do that. And till 11th it was like this. Fear something changed. I never really liked it. I never loved it to get into it. It's always been respect. It will always be respect, but not enough love and commitment. And just now how it was with French. Now everything is so mixed. It will start detangling slowly. बट अभी तुम लोग को पता चल गया कि आई वॉज नॉट क्लियर कि मेरे को 10th के बाद एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है. एंड आई लव्ड मरीन बायोलॉजी. आई लव मरीन एनिमल्स. शार्क्स आर माई फेवरेट, ऑल मरीन एनिमल्स. सो दैट टाइम तो आई वॉज ऑल्सो कन्विंसिंग माई मॉम कि लेट मी डू मरीन बायोलॉजी until unless someone क्या बोलते हैं करियर काउंसलिंग वाले अंकल केम एंड टोल्ड मी कि यू डोंट लाइक बायो एंड ही जस्ट टर्न मी ऑफ इन मरीन बायोलॉजी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई गॉट, मतलब मैं टर्न ऑफ हो भी गई. मतलब मेरा इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं था उस डोमेन में इतना. एंड जेन्युइनली सुन के कि बायो होने वाला ना, आई एम नॉट बायो किड. आई विल ओपन द बायो बुक एंड आई विल गो टू स्लीप 15 minutes. सो आई वाज लाइक नहीं भाई, मुझसे तो नहीं होगा. एंड मरीन बायोलॉजी पढ़ने तक मेरे को पहले 5-10 साल तो पूरा बायो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. कौन पढ़ेगा? तो नो मरीन बायोलॉजी, नो NDA, नथिंग. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है देख लेंगे. एंड इधर से होती है स्टोरी चालू. बिकॉज every one of my friends had probably mostly started their competitive exam journey. कभी मार्च में एग्ज़ाम तो अप्रैल से तो चालू हो ही गया होगा उन लोग का. ठीक है, तो एंड आई स्टार्ट इन माइन इन जुलाई, अप्रैल, मई, जून. 3 महीना नहीं भी पकड़ा. अगर ये भी पकड़ा कि 2 महीना पहले दे स्टार्टेड बिफोर मी, दे स्टिल स्टार्टेड 2 months बिफोर मी. एंड यू नो इन द कंपेटिटिव वर्ल्ड 2 months तो क्या, 2 weeks इज सच ए ह्यूज थिंग. तो आई वॉज बिहाइंड, वेरी वेरी बिहाइंड. एंड ये डीले क्यों हुआ? Everything is much worse than a roller coaster. After 10th, my friend told me about a college and I applied there too and I got it. वो सब करने के बाद my dad is like, no, but it's too far. How will you travel? By the way, that college wasn't so far from my place. It was barely 20-30 minutes max. ठीक है, but consider. And why did I leave the college? Because my mom somehow convinced me into JEE. and वो जो classes जो मेरे को पसंद आए उन लोग का टाइमिंग और मेरे स्कूल का टाइमिंग क्लैश हो रहा था. लाइक मेरा स्कूल 3 बजे ख़त्म, उन लोग का क्लासेस 3 बजे चालू, तो इतना क्लैश हो रहा था. एंड वी वर लाइक, यू नो, विल रिक्वेस्ट द स्कूल टू लीव यू अर्ली एंड देन और विल टेल देम टू पुट यू इन अनदर स्लॉट इन द ट्यूशन एंड दैट ऑल वाज दैट. कितना मगज मारे है ना. एंड ये सब डालने के बाद मतलब पहले बातें हो रही थी बट वी स्टिल, यू नो, वी वेंट अहेड एंड वी डिड एडमिशन. दिस गर्ल, शी वेंट टू कॉलेज फॉर one day and then I took my admission back. Guess how much money we lost? You don't have to guess. Yep, all that was happening and मेरा दिमाग का जो दही हो रहा था, मेरे को तभी थोड़ा रियलाइज़ हो रहा था पर अभी पूरा रियलाइज़ होता है. It was a mess. We lost money. It was complicated. And by the way, even during that time, I was also in a water polo competition in June, and that is when my college started. So I was in a water polo competition at the start, and I only attended 1 day of college, and I then took back my admission just so that I could go to this dumb classes JEE that I didn't even want to do. And my mom somehow convinced me to do JEE. I had told her कि मैं JEE नहीं करूँगी, मैं JEE वाले क्लास में जाऊँगी पर मेरा अल्टीमेट फोकस बोर्ड्स ही रहेगा. And this was decided. But I don't know if hardworking students can relate or only it is this dumb kid over here, because I started focusing on JEE. I started taking stress about it. It started irritating me that I was not able to do good in something I didn't want to do good. And I don't know where my focus changed. And लोग बोलते हैं ना एक दिन में कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ, मेरे लिए हुआ. Because एक दिन I got up and I realized, shit, JEE मैं कब से क्यों? But that is exactly what happened and I was like shit, and I took that day off and I didn't go to class. And you know, when did this happen? It was probably the start of 12th, like start of 12th. And इतना late क्यों हुआ पता? Because I am dumb, वो तो है, but I am so slow to adapt, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say I'm so slow to adapt. It took me one entire year, at least 6 months. अब मेरे को याद भी नहीं है but इतना टाइम तो लगा अडेप्ट होने में भाई. I didn't talk to anyone, not the teachers, not the professors, no friends, nothing. I only spoke to one admin over there. She was very good to me and of course थोड़ा, but I was not like, you want to talk to me then you will come talk to me, I come talk to you. Not happening. Not because I don't like you, I just can't get myself to, I can't. But yeah, so this was the journey 10th के बाद to 11th तक. ये स्कूल वाला मगजमारी, 1 day getting out, starting our classes, and it was hectic because it was too fast. Also because I was a late kid. And फिर मैं वो कॉलेज से ड्रॉप आउट करके I became an integrated kid. Worst part about this, the school that our college tied up with for integrated, it was the first year of theirs being in a tie-up with a class for integrated. And when I tell you हमने जो सफ़र किया है, like जो 2 साल मैंने जो, मतलब I don't want to use the word trauma because it sounds so harsh, but it is. I mean, it was so harsh भाई. I did dang. And that school, oh my god, जो मेरे नोस पे छुड़ा है वो school, don't get me started. I'm not going to talk about them, but I was the only girl there and my best friend that you will see probably in the next vlog. We were the only two girls there, and I thought we met in classes, but we apparently met in school. That is where we started talking, that is where we got along, but it was only the two of us, and rest of them all were boys. And when I tell you boys, I don't mean boys that are good, that are nice, that are gentlemen, like my friends that are just, that you can be around like a normal. They themselves were not normal human beings. मेरे को पता नहीं वो किधर से आके टपके ये जेई कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की जर्नी में, और उधर मेरे साथ इंटीग्रेटेड भाई, इंटीग्रेटेड I was so done with them for one entire year. Not entire year because I started my journey late, but I was always done with them. They made my journey hell. They are so pathetic those boys were, and that school. Don't get me started. Oh God, please. Oh Lord. Anyways, what was I gonna say? अच्छा wait. तो ये सब आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट कि मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना था, एंड माई फोकस वॉज शिफ्टिंग ऑल टू दिस कॉमर्स वाला रेल्म इवन बिफोर 11th. मतलब माई फोकस हैड ऑलरेडी शिफ्टेड, बट ऑफकोर्स इट वॉज नॉट, क्या बोलते हैं, इनफ शिफ्ट फॉर मी टू एक्चुअली रियलाइज कि यार ओके नाउ आई एम एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड इन टू थिंग्स दैट फॉल अंडर द डोमेन ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड नॉट साइंस. सो एंड मेरे को तुम 11th तक भी पूछते बाय द वे कि तेरे को क्या करना है, तो आई वुड टेल यू आई वांट टू डू समथिंग इन साइंस, एंड आई डोंट रियली नो, बट इट्स डेफिनेटली समथिंग इन साइंस. टिल 11th दिस विल टेल यू. एंड 11th में आई tried out a business that of course didn't work out because I didn't market properly. मेरे पास वो टाइम ही नहीं था भाई. तुम competitive exam में हो, and being a hardworking kid that I was, I didn't have time to do anything else. Oh, and I didn't tell you about all of the skills that I started after 10th. मैंने जो सैक्रिफाइस मारा, एक एक स्किल को ऐसा गिराया है मैंने, एक्सेप्ट फ्रेंच. आई हैव ट्रेजर्ड French like nothing else. I kept on going at it till the end. Of course it had been on and off sometimes too, but I never left it like I left all of the other skills. I literally remember dropping, reducing. पहले ये skill रोज़ आधा घंटा होता था, फिर I made it 15 minutes, फिर वो चला ही गया. सो ऐसा मैंने हर एक स्किल सैक्रिफाइस किया, एंड दिस वॉज हैपनिंग वाइल आई वाज इन 11th. पहले तो बंदी का जुलाई में चालू हुआ, सेकंड उसका स्किल डेवलपमेंट है जो उसने ओवर द मंथ्स कम किया. मतलब तुम 11th इसी में ही पकड़ लो. 11th तो यही सब करने में गया मेरा, एंड थोड़ा बहुत वो पढ़ाई जगल करने में. आई वॉज सो डिसअपॉइंटेड, एंड आई वॉज लिटरली हैज टू गो to that admin and tell her I can't do it. Why is it so tough? No! Why is it so tough? Sorry, that's just my mom. And I remember even crying once कि नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. And I want to be special, I want to do everything, everyone is just doing JEE, I want to do more than that. JEE तो कर ले पहले हैं, पर मेरे को कभी करना ही नहीं था. So anyways, what was I talking about? Yeah, I dropped my skills and I sacrificed my skills, and the only thing that I had left was French, and वो भी on and off चलता था, but I never sacrificed on French. That was always there. ठीक है. Did I miss out on something that I was talking about something? ठीक है. never wanted to do JEE. नहीं, मैंने इधर लिखा है because I know I will forget. हाँ, एंड मेरे को JEE कभी करना ही नहीं था. वो मैंने 9th में ही डिसाइड कर लिया था somehow because I didn't have clarity. My mom told me to do JEE when I could do plain science. So please, if you don't have clarity, do not absolutely force yourself into competitive exams, because it is not worth it. You need that time for introspection and to realize what you truly want to do. Use that time there than investing it into competitive exams. And I don't know if this is just me or any of y'all too, because I didn't want to do JEE, but I still was hardworking and I still stressed about it, and it was bad. Like I will tell you later why was it bad, but I took a lot of pressure about JEE, and that didn't even matter to me, and it even took me time to realize कि shit, I'm taking a lot of pressure about this. So please do not force yourself into it, especially if you do not have clarity. तो फिर मत ही force करो, because you should be using that time to introspect and seeing what you actually like rather than pushing yourself. And if you're a hardworking kid, you might as well start working hard towards it without even realizing, because I just think this is something competitive exams does to a student, to a hardworking student, because that is what it did to me. So anyway, choice. After that, my mom forcefully, okay, yeah, I got serious about JE. I got very serious about JE, and it got dark. When I tell you it got dark, let me tell you. Wait, I'm just seeing if I missed on something. Okay, so it's just my French journey over here, but I'm first going to tell you how it got dark. So I मेरी जर्नी में क्या हुआ कि I started and I was not able to manage everything. I like first I had my, you wouldn't believe the amount of people that I spoke to. This is going to sound so foolish, that I spoke to about my journey कि यार मेरे को स्किल डेवलपमेंट करना है, मेरे को फ्रेंच करना है, मेरे को पढ़ाई भी करना है, मेरे को सब में अच्छा करना है. And I am not saying this is not possible, but of course you got to prioritize. And everyone was telling me to quit on everything except JEE. कि अभी 2 साल बस JEE कर ले, 2 साल बस. I am like, I can't do one thing for one damn 2 months. But you are asking me 2 years? No, and I have never been a kid like that. I can never sit my bum down and do one thing. No, I have to have multiple things in my life. I do not know, and I'm not telling, like, hating on anyone. I have immense respect for people who can only do one damn thing and master it, because it's crazy and I could never. But that's the point, I don't want to. And I was being told that constantly, and every time I just used to go to them कि नहीं मेरे को ये सब करना. I literally went to the, क्या बोलते हैं, अपना एक सर who literally asked him and he gave me this routine, ये ऐसा कर ये वैसा कर. And it seemed like he never understood me, because मैं बोल रही हूँ वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा. He thought कि ये skill development 15 मिनट में हो जाएगा. I'm like नहीं, इसको तो आधा घंटा लगता है. And I didn't even tell him, being the introverted stupid kid that I was. I'm not stupid, sorry. So yeah, oh god. And then it just broke me. There were days, I will tell you, there were days I have slept 1 hour, bhai, 1 hour. And अगले दिन I used to be all prepared, and the next day only to go out and find out कि ये सर तो सर्कल्स पे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछ रहे. मैं सर्कल्स पढ़ के आई, तुम क्या पूछ रहे हो अभी. And I was so done. And such days were, भाई, they were so this. मैंने मर के पढ़ाई किया है ना, I'm telling you, it was bad and dark, because जो comparison, भाई, जो compare किया मैंने. I compared myself to my peers, I compared myself to the marks. I thought कि just better than this guy, just better than this girl, just this much marks, I want this much. That is bad. And I then read this quote that comparison kills personalities, which is very true. Don't compare yourself. मेरे को तभी तक यार मेरे को रियलाइज़ हो गया था कि मेरे को साइंस नहीं करना है. ये 12th मिड 12th की बात है, एंड आई एम अ ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड किड, एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक, आई न्यू, मेरे को पता है, मेरे को मेरी गलती पता भी चल गई कि आई वॉज नॉट सॉल्विंग इनफ MCQs, एंड आई वॉज जस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग एज इन रीडिंग एंड मेमोराइजिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट नॉट इनफ सॉल्विंग. एंड by the time I realized that, I don't think so it was late, I don't know, but I still couldn't get myself to execute. Execution is not easy, right? It is not easy. You can realize ton of stuff, but for you to actually come and execute that and uske baad get results on that is not easy. So by the time I realized it was not early, of course, not late too, but for me to actually start executing it, late ho gaya. And then results आए ही नहीं, and that put me in more ये कि यार क्या हो रहा है, अब तो मैं करूँगी, मैं पढ़ूँगी, ये वो. एंड आई केप्ट ऑन प्रेशराइजिंग एंड पुशिंग माई सेल्फ मोर. पर तब तक तो प्रीलिम्स आ गए, प्री बोर्ड्स, ये सब. एंड it was so, I mean, I'm just talking about it now in a couple of minutes, but it was dark and I've lived that. And I used to literally I used to sleep on myself and I used to cry and I used to be like, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, what is happening, and why can't I do it, this and that. And I have called myself pathetic, useless, good for nothing. And now I realize that I didn't deserve, no student deserves this, bhai. No kid deserves this. And people tell me ki yaar, you should be proud of yourself ki you sustained in the JEE journey, that you were so hardworking. And now I realize ki yes, I should be proud of myself. But if you told me this a year ago, I would be, what is the use? What is the use if I'm not getting results? That is how my reaction would have been. But now I say like, no, it doesn't matter तेरे को क्या results आ रहा है भाई. You were a hardworking kid. You should be proud of that. And ये कोई एरा गैरा एग्जाम थोड़ी है, JEE है भाई. कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम है, लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर गिविंग. जिनको करना हो तो उन लोग का नहीं होता, मेरे को करना ही नहीं था. आई हैव जो मैंने अपने आप प्रेशराइज किया भाई, पूछो मत. एनी विच इज इनफ विद द सॉब स्टोरी. गोइंग टू फ्रेंच, टेलिंग यू दैट आई नेवर गिव अप ऑन फ्रेंच. something good that happened end mein. I think everything is getting falling into my favor because I gave my French French exam in December 2026. लेट हो गया था. अभी मैं JEE में नहीं होती, मेरा B2 हो जाता भाई. आई एम सो B2 हो जाता. आई एम सो पॉजिटिव अबाउट दैट, पर नहीं हुआ. एनी विच वे, फिर भी मैंने B1 दिया. इतना मर के JEE का तो पढ़ाई मैं कर रही थी, बोर्ड्स भी क्या कुछ मैं अंडू. आई वॉज somehow just surviving, and French was also there. And somehow I did French. I gave my B1 exam and I passed. And I just gave it 2026 December and I passed. So that was something good. Anyways, oh yeah, and I always, bhai, such a determined kid I was. I used to always, I am not flexing, I genuinely was. And I used to always carry this diary in which my French vocab was there. While going and while coming, मेरे क्लासेस से आई यूज टू कैरी दिस डायरी एंड आई यूज टू read this for 5 to 10 minutes before going and coming. It just used to put me in such a focus state, shift from all of the hustle bustle to actually like locking in state. But I used to always carry that book and that helped me because yeah, I mean just vocabulary and all, yeah, I was a bit extra, I think. Any which ways, समथिंग एल्स वॉज ऑल्सो कि मेरा क्लासेस बाय द वे 3 to 6 था दोपहर का. तो पूरा दिन आई वॉज एट होम. आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी. 3 to 6 क्लासेस था, पर मैं 9 बजे तक रुक के एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ाई करती थी उधर. ये फ्लेक्स क्यों? आई एम नॉट फ्लेक्सिंग, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू माई जर्नी. आई हैव सीन पीपल वर्क मच मोर स्मार्ट. मैंने गधा मजूरी किया एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट एंड आई डोंट वांट यू to do that. So please, I've seen people work so smart and do so good and I compared myself to them कि वो लोग कर सकते हैं, मैं क्यों नहीं. More depression. Anyways, I told you about this कि फिर मिड 12th में मेरे को फाइनली यार 12 के स्टार्ट में ओ आई डिडंट टेल यू कि मेरे को रियलाइज़ क्यों हुआ कि मैं क्यों दैट आई शुड डू कॉमर्स. कि I did tell you कि I started like some small business 11th में and उसका मैं स्टेटस डाल दी थी. एंड मेरे उधर का एक सर का ना, आई डोंट नो, इट्स स्टिल वियर्ड. नो वेट ना मम्मा यार, यू कीप इट यार. तो आई यूज्ड टू I had started some small business but it didn't scale because I was only marketing on WhatsApp. But WhatsApp पे डाली तो मेरे सर ने देखा and he just strikingly told me कि बेटा आपको तो कॉमर्स में होना चाहिए, आप साइंस में क्यों. एंड ही जनरली मेंटली वाज लाइक नहीं रियली आपको तो कॉमर्स में होना चाहिए, आप साइंस में क्यों ना. नहीं सर ऐसा थोड़ी, ऐसा क्या होता है. आई वाज लाइक ट्राइंग टू पुट इट अवे एंड बट आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. एंड उधर से जो मेरे को क्लिक हुआ ना, उधर से मेरा थोड़ा चलना चालू होगा कि भाई डू यू थिंक कॉमर्स इज गोना वर्क, आर यू सीरियस अबाउट कॉमर्स. उधर से मेरा चालू हो गया. बट 12th तक आते हैं, इट वॉज ऑलरेडी 11th एंड, तो 12th तक आते हैं तो थोड़ा स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, रिसर्चिंग, देन आई फाइनली. तब तक भी मेरे को उतना क्लैरिटी नहीं आया था कि ठीक है कॉमर्स, बट कॉमर्स में वॉट. तो आई स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग एंड ऑल एंड I found out what I had to do. I spoke to so many people. I went for counseling. They gave me a literal report, and I did all of this. I had to convince my parents. जो वो मान गई थी, पर मेरे को थोड़ा effort डालना पड़ा. Then a lot of talking and researching and counseling के बाद I finally decided कि okay, I'm going to shift to commerce and I'm going to do this. And तभी तक mid 12th हो गया था. तो उसके बाद आई वॉज लाइक आई वॉज स्टिल हार्ड वर्किंग इन JEE. आई वॉज स्टिल, कौन सी पागल बच्ची इज गोइंग टू स्टिल बी हार्ड वर्किंग इन JEE आफ्टर डिसाइडिंग कि शी इज गोइंग टू शिफ्ट टू कॉमर्स. बट आई वॉज मी डम किड, बिन फुकट का प्रेशर, बिन फुकट का टेंशन, मी I didn't have to carry all of that. I still did. And you shouldn't. You shouldn't. Please, please, please don't. It's not worth it. And it's not like I improved. मैं अभी अपना second CET देने वाली because मेरी मम्मा चाहती है. Mama, why am I doing this to myself? I can't. This is just so. Anyway, just did I tell you all of this? Okay, I shifted to commerce. Okay, so end में ना I want to talk about what JEE actually taught me, because I know so many people, and even if you think about it, it only sounds valid कि people tell you कि तेरे तो 2 साल waste हो गए ना, because now you're shifting to commerce, तेरे तो 2 साल waste हो गए ना, and it sounds valid, but I don't think it is, because JEE has given me something I don't think any other thing would, which is, wait a second, okay, which is, bhai, I have stories to share. I have literally written, okay, bhai, I have become very resilient. One thing that I have learned from JEE, because जो failure मैंने देखा, no matter what I did, जो मेथड अप्लाई करो, ये करो, वो करो, उस दादा ने अप्लाई किया, और अभी मैंने अप्लाई किया, अपना खुद का मैंने अप्लाई किया, इतना मैंने रिसर्च करके अप्लाई किया, सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, स्टिल थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग आउट, and you just feel you're getting close, and then everything collapses, and getting up from that and telling yourself, no, once more, try again, it has made me so resilient. I don't ever think कि I will ever feel like that again, because firstly तो nothing is going to be as hard as this. है ना, इससे भी मेरे को याद आया कि also I have seen the worst phase as a student, because what else is going to be as tough as one of the most competitive exams in the world. So in the future, if I ever go for any damn exam, it isn't going to be as tough as this, because unless it is another competitive exam, it isn't going to be as tough as this. So at least I've seen the worst phase. Nothing else is going to be as worst as this now. So that is something good, because everything will seem easier than this. It will seem less depressing, more doable, manageable. So that is something very, very good. And this one very story, something that JEE really, really taught me. जो criticism, like in my head, whenever a teacher used to tell me anything, that very moment in जो JEE में they used to tell me anything, मतलब in class, JEE में क्या मैं in class they used to tell me anything, I used to start thinking, my brain would stop focusing on what they are teaching in class, and I would go on in my head कि you know they shouted me, and कि तेरे को इतना भी नहीं आता, ये नहीं आता, ये how can you forget, how पूरा दिन पढ़ी फिर भी तेरे को, and I used to be like, I am so useless, so pathetic, I can't focus this, and मेरा focus उधर बोर्ड से हट के इधर on myself, criticizing myself कि I am dumb, I am useless, I am pathetic, I can't do this, I studied, I still don't remember, what am I doing? All of this on a repeat tape till the entire class finishes. Barely मैंने कुछ सुना, मैंने कुछ attention पे किया. And there is even this story about this one math sir. So scary that sir was, but I have immense, and I'm not lying when I say I have immense respect for him, because I so wish I could think like him, because भाई sir math का question देख के he would be नहीं ऐसा, and I'm like, what did he say, and he used to always ask us, समझा, दिखा कि नहीं, and I'm like, क्या दिखेगा? Just so funny it was, but now it is funny when I'm talking about it. It was so, क्या बोलते हैं, scary, because he used to ask us, दिखा कि नहीं दिखा, and we all were like, क्या दिख रहा था, this is just a circle, what do you want me to see? And there was of course some Q in it, but he always expected, he saw all of us like potential JEE kids, which is not bad, but it was a lot to expect from a kid who is just preparing for, according to me, but still good. I know I'm not going to dwell into that. All I'm saying is कि I wish I could think like him, because he was super genius when it comes to math, भाई. And you could see that he loved math, he enjoyed it, he truly understood it. वो अलग बात था कि हमें वो जो बोलते हैं वो कभी समझ में नहीं आता. I think, but of course as a teacher I feel कि understanding yourself and explaining are two different skills. So even if he probably wasn't able to explain it well, I could see that he understood it and that he enjoyed it, and I really wanted to be like that too. But जो criticize करते थे भाई, वो insult भाई सीधा, oh god. एंड मेरे को इतने बार, एंड इन दी एंड 12th में ना I was the only girl over there and बाकी सब were boys, and there were literally times where there were only 4-5 kids in the class, all of them boys and me the only girl. Boys, even if there were dumb boys who used to not study, they used to at least interact, at least in the jokes, and the smart वाले तो ऐसे भी interact करते थे, तो me not interact at all. And every time he used to ask me something, because of course not interacting, not even little, he used to ask me, and मेरा तो भाई पूरा blank. तो he used to criticize me so much from the start, everyone, but then once I became alone, he started criticizing me. But by that time, getting used to his criticism, I became so bored to it, because I decided कि नहीं यार, I can't let this insults get to me. I have to focus in class, and I'm just learning. I'll get a hold of it. It's okay. And that slowly helped me, but it took time. It was slowly, but it did happen. And then I am become so aware to criticism. अब मेरे को कोई कुछ भी मुँह पे बोल के जाए, I will ignore करके अपने वर्क पे मैं फोकस करूँगी ना. I think this is some very solid skill I've developed, which I didn't realize unless my friend pointed it out to me. But yeah, so I am very grateful to this skill, and of course resilience. So yeah, and यही तो था बस. फिर कंपैरिजन बोला. थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी I always felt out of the journey. Okay, throughout the 2 years I always felt out of the journey. I felt like a fish pulled out of the sea. मैंने ये लिखा है. Because I never knew anything about JEE. By the way, when I was going into JEE, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था. JEE में इतने questions होते हैं, JEE इतने घंटे का होता है, ये कट ऑफ होता है, ये. I just knew it was one of the toughest exams. In detail कि this many number of questions, this prep, and 8 teachers start teaching you 8 different things at once, and managing all of that, 8 subjects, and your inner confusion plus the work that you have to do, and not knowing anything about JEE, not knowing मतलब बेसिक भी कि कितने क्वेश्चन आते कितने घंटे का, तो वो मैंने उधर जाकर फिगर आउट किया. I know I sound stupid, but I'm not denying it. I was stupid. But okay. Anyways, I kept on failing. But even though I never succeeded in JEE, I will literally written this and I will read it out. Even though I never succeeded in JEE, I forgot I never wanted to, and hence never had to. I never had to. That's so correct. I never had to succeed there. My only success is that I finally know what I want to do. Kudos to that, because जो aimless में घूम रही थी, and I used to always ask teachers, about my interest, what profession lies in this, and they used to tell me everything in science, and that didn't feel like me, and I was like, nahi, but I still don't have an aim. And they used to always tell, when people tell you, give you, क्या बोलते हैं, give you advice, and it's not actually advice, because all they're doing is their motivational pep talk, and उसमें actual advice तो रह ही गया. वैसे ही मेरे को every time वैसे ही मिलता था. Actual advice was not there. It was all only motivational pep talk. So I had to figure it out, and I did the hard way. So yeah, I finally know what I want to do, even if it took 2 more years and a journey unnecessarily hard, which was JEE. I didn't need to do JEE, but I have grown so much. So, and in the end, I did succeed. So, bye. I am so dumb. I spoke about JEE. I didn't even tell that I gave JEE. No, wait. Okay. So, I forgot to tell you that I gave JEE. I want to start this off by saying that I am so sorry to the people that I lied to that I did give JEE. God, but I mean, why do you want to know, huh? Why do you want to know if I'm giving? Everyone from my class, people are asking me. There are so many, students, not my friends, just classmates, asking me, are you giving JEE? Are you giving JEE? Oh no, I'm not giving JEE. नहीं, मैं क्यों करूँ? मेरे को नहीं. I am shifting to commerce. No, I'm not. I gave JEE. I gave JEE only the first attempt, not the second attempt. And the only reason I gave JEE was for closure, was to, क्या बोलते हैं, उतना जो भी मैंने मेहनत किया था, just to, I forgot the word, I just remembered it. yes, just to honor the effort that I put. And I was so happy. This is such a story. Can I please keep my phone somewhere? I was walking out of the exam center with a literal smile. This is so good for me because I just finished one damn traumatic shitty journey. Of course I was smiling. I just went after a couple of days to my class again because tab tak to boards aa gaya tha. So we had all of this meeting with our mentors and all whatever. And one super smart girl was telling me ki one girl in her center, the paper was so tough, and one girl in her center, she fainted. And then that girl, like my girl who's going to the same class as me, the super smart girl, she offered her water. No, why am I so shocked? Because even outside my center, I knew people were saying ki nahi tough tha, acha nahi tha, and I knew the paper was tough. But for me, like I cared, I just gave it for giving it. Baba, mera khatam ho gaya. I'm God. I walked out of the center smiling. Though I did that. This is all I wanted to say. I want to say something. मतलब I spoke about my entire JEE journey, पर मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि मैंने first attempt JEE का दिया. I even wrote it down, but I didn't write this down कि मैंने JEE दिया. Oh God! But for all of those people that asked me, did I give JEE, and I told you I didn't, I did. I just didn't want to tell you I did. I only told the people that really mattered that I did. I mean, where we might just be friends or acquaintances, but it just don't feel bad, please. Okay. Bye.